Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to Calendar, then select the exact event you need to change. Once selected, click Edit or Open to view start and end time fields. Do not drag yet if you need precision. Make sure you have organizer or editor permissions because otherwise your change will not save for attendees. If you're on Outlook on the web, choose Edit Event. In Desktop, choose Open Occurrence for recurring items. This gets you into the editable time fields immediately so you can act. You now change the start and end times directly in the Edit window, typing or selecting the exact hour and minute to avoid rounding errors. Once done, check the time zone toggle. If attendees are in other zones, set the event's explicit time zone so Outlook converts properly. If it's a recurring meeting, decide whether you edit the single occurrence or the entire series. Choose Open Series only when you mean to shift every instance. Make sure the new times do not conflict with your scheduling assistant alerts. You finish by saving the change. Use Save and Close in Desktop Outlook or save in the web app. When prompted, send updates to attendees so everyone sees the new time. After saving, immediately verify the updated time in your calendar view and confirm that attendees received the update by checking responses. If something goes wrong, first confirm you have edit permission, then verify the event's time zone and that Outlook is fully synced. Correcting any of those usually resolves timing mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.